So this is the practical number 4 of DTM. I am lecturer from Pravin Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. So the DTM fourth practical is convert given expression to sum of product form using basic logic gates. As we seen in the lecture in the theory part, how the sum and the sum of product is working. When the sum of product equation is used, you have to add the value. The standard forms it is used for the Boolean equation for the minimizing the equivalent and original logical expression that has fewer variable terms. So the fewer terms and needs the less logic to implement. We require a less number of things to implement. So that's why we are using the sum of product. This is a De Morgan first theorem. How we solve the logical equation. We can see that these are the some things that is what are the relevant courses, practical outcome, what are we can see that. So you can see this is a circuit diagram. So first is the example demonstrating an example of 3 inputs where at least 2 out of 3 input are high, then the output will be 1. Here is you can see that there is a 1 on the place of 0, 1, 2, 3 on the place of 3. So the output of the top is A bar, B, C. So we write A. Wherever the 1 you have to use this only. जहाँ जहाँ पे 1 है उसका ही आपको you have to make the equation of that thing only. So in the top the complement things are 0 and uncomplement things are 1. So here we can see that there is a 1 on which position? So 0, 1, 1. So you have to write the A bar, B, C. So second one is on the next position, that is A, B bar, C. Then the fourth is your A, B, C bar. And the last one is your A, B, C. So this is the final output of the SOP. And you can see they are using some gates and you make the sum of product logical circuit. Here is the A, B, C are the 3 variables. You connected the NOT gate. After NOT gate, you have to connect the AND gate for the variable. And this, the addition. In the SOP, we are doing the addition. So that the NOR gate is connected. And the final equation you can see. This is the logical diagram of sum of product. Next, we can see that here is you are designing the logic gate circuit. We have 3 variables. We have a 2 NOR gate and 1 AND gate is connected. So this is a pause form. So this is called as the pause of a product of sum. In the product of sum, we can say that in the product of sum, the complemented value is a 1. So we can say that the A bar equals to 1 and A equals to 0. In the sum of products, that is reverse. The complemented value is 0 and the uncomplemented value is 1. In the product of sum, we have to do a multiplication. In a sum of product, we have to do an addition. So in the product of sum, we can see there is the output in the multiply format. Okay. So this is the logical diagram. So now we can see that what is the things are required. Like we are required a breadboard, DC power supply, ICs, which type of IC like 7404, 7408. These are the ICs which LED is required. So we can see some of the procedure here. So we can see what we have to do, actual procedure. Make connection as shown in the respective circuit diagram using a breadboard. Connect the power supply to pin 14 and connect ground to pin number 7 of all ICs used. So what are the precautions you have to follow? Test the IC using digital IC tester before conducting the experiment. Check circuit connection before switch on the power supply. So these are calculations. If the circuit is gate 1 is your ABC, if there is a 0, 0, 0, then the answer will be 0. Then the circuit will be 0, 0, 0, then the answer will be 0. 0, 1, 0, then your 0, 0 output will be 0. If 0, 1, 1, then you will get on the BC, the output is a 1. And if the 1, 0, 0, the LED will be not displayed. On the position of the last 1, 1, 1, where is the 1, the LED will be displayed on that thing. Okay. So what is the result? Hence we study the SOP expression, the sum of product using the basic logical gate. So we can see that what is the main term as we have seen in the theory. Each individual term in the soft form, it is called as a main term. This is the example of the main term. So we have to add the thing. For the mean representation, we are using the small m and the summation. Then the next question is that we can see that what do we mean by the canonical form? The meaning of word canonical is a conforming to a general rule. This rule states that each term used in a switching equation must contain all the available input variables. This is called as a, we have to conform to some rule for switching the equation. So this is your canonical form. What is the significance of SOP? In sum of product method, first we have to find the fundamental product for all the combinations whose output is a y equals to 1. If the combination, first you have to find the what is the y equals to 1 and then you will get a equation. Then add this all fundamental product to get a Boolean equation. This Boolean equation can be simplified by using the value of the method. That can be a algebraic rule or can be a K-map reduction technique. Okay. So this is the significance of SOP. In the significance of SOP, first we have to do a addition. Then we have to find out the y equals to 1. Then you will find out the y equals to 1. तो जहाँ जहाँ पे भी 1 है उसके लिए आपको Boolean equation बनाना है, 0 को आपको neglect कर लेना है, ठीक है. और मैंने जैसे बताया था कि a बार मतलब 0 in a SOP and a equals to 1. Next is your y equals to AC plus b bar c. Okay. So now AC. तो अभी AC में क्या मिसिंग है? जैसे मैंने बताया था तुम लोग को कैलकुलेशन में b मिसिंग है. So you have to write a b plus b bar. अब BC में क्या मिसिंग है? a plus a bar. और आपको कैलकुलेशन करना है ABC plus AB bar C plus AB bar C plus AB bar C. अब इसमें कॉमन कौन सा है? AB bar C. तो नॉर्मली और लॉ में क्या होता है? A plus A equals to will get a. तो आपको ए बी बार सी एक ही बार लिखना है बाय द लॉ ऑफ और लॉ. नाउ यू विल गेट ए बी सी प्लस ए बी बार सी प्लस ए बार बी बार सी. So this is the final output of the SOP. So this is the SOP equation. Thank you. This is the practical number 4 is the completed.